What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and today I found this at Costco. Let's check it out. So I'm in the market for a new laptop. I need something that is super light, super portable, and has a great battery life. So I was at Costco. This caught my eye. I'm like, you know what? Let's give it a try. And the laptop that we're going to take a look at today is the MSI Summit E13 Flip Evo. Whew. That is a lot of work. Aside from the looks of it, the reason why I chose this laptop is it has a great battery life. It has a 10-hour battery life. It is super light, therefore super portable. 13.3 inches. I think that's like the perfect size for a laptop, especially if you're always on the go. And also security is very important. And this laptop boasts enterprise-grade security with features like Tile, so if you ever lost your laptop, even if it's off, you can still find it. Also, another feature this laptop has is Toby Aware, so if anybody is trying to peek behind you, it will suddenly let you know that somebody's behind you, so you can minimize what you're doing, so that you have extra security, and you're like, hey, buzz off. It also has hardware-based encryption with TPM 2.0, which is important if you want to run Windows 11. And lastly, you have Windows Hello, so you can sign in with facial recognition or a thumbprint. So let's check out the specs of this laptop. So this laptop has an Intel 12th Gen i7 1280p processor, 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM running at 4800 megahertz, 1 terabyte of NVMe storage, Windows 11 Home, Killer AX 1675, Wi-Fi 6E latest generation. It has an integrated 1080p IR Full HD camera. And that's pretty awesome. Most laptops only have a 720p at best webcam. So I'm kind of looking forward to checking this webcam out. It has a 13.4 inch touchscreen IPS 100% sRGB Full HD laptop running at 1920 by 1200. Most laptops are running at 1920 by 1080, which is a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. This laptop is actually a 16 by 10. So you get a little extra desktop real estate. So when you're doing any kind of productivity tasks, you can see this much more of a document, PowerPoint, editing, videos, whatever. You get the extra real estate, which makes a difference, believe it or not. Now, if you're gonna watch movies on it, you're gonna have like black bars, but hey, it is what it is. Then you have an entertainment-based laptop, or you have a workhorse. So the graphic card is an Intel Iris Xe graphic card. The keyboard is backlit, and you have a fingerprint reader. So this laptop has a 4-cell, 70 watt-hour lithium polymer battery, which boasts 10-hour battery life. And the dimension of this laptop is 11.82 inches by 8.75 inches by 0.59 inches and weighs 3.74 pounds. Alright, so let's unbox this laptop. And guys, if you enjoy this content, please subscribe to this channel. And we're trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. And if we hit that mark, we'll do another giveaway. And you know me, you know I like to give them $100 out. So please guys, subscribe. It will help the channel out. It will help us grow and give you amazing content. Alright, let's unbox this guy. And another box. This is a nice sleek box. You have the MSI branding here and our specs. Let's see what we have in this box here. Power cord. Adapter with USB Type-C and our MSI pen. So let's unbox our MSI pen. Boom. Take it out. Here is the pen. It's pretty nice. You got a click up here and some clicks over here. This is where you charge it. Type-C charging. I like that. Let's see what else we have. We have our power cable and a quick user guide. And then this phone here, you can see we have some extra tips. So whenever this tip wears out, you have 2 more to replace it. It looks like one is a special one. Maybe it's like for drawing or something. Alright, now for the laptop. So far, I'm really liking the packaging. Take this out. Let's put this to the side. So in this bag, we have a few things. We have an ejector tool, so I guess this is how we take out our micro SD card. We have a card to remind you to use your pen, enhance your creativity. A recovery function, if you never need to recover your laptop. a quick user guide, warranty summary. If you have any problems, make sure to talk with MSI. This will help you. And make sure to register your laptop as soon as possible. They're giving you 3 extra months of warranty. And let's bring this guy back in. Just take a look at it. I just love the design aesthetics of this laptop. Alright. This is a pretty laptop. One finger open, take this off. Let's go over the laptop. Top, we have a nice MSI branding. It's a nice matte black finish. On the sides, we have this nice rose gold going all the way around. I think that is very beautiful. On the bottom, we have a huge intake and our speakers. And it looks like it will be easy to take the back off. 2 screws here, and I would assume there are probably 2 more screws there, and then just pop it off. So let's go over the ports. So over here, we have our headphone microphone combo jack, HDMI, our micro SD area. You have to use that little pin to push it out to put it in the micro SD, and a webcam kill switch. On the back, we just have a huge exhaust going across. And on this side, we have a USB 3.2, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports with power pass-through. That is awesome. And our battery indicator light over here. And nothing on this side. Okay, let's just open this up. One finger test works beautifully. And this is a 360 hinge. So you go boom. And it don't break. That's awesome. Alright, so let's just lay it out. Here's our touchscreen screen. Keyboard right here. And not too bad. An oversized trackpad, I love it, and it feels super slippery. I like it, and I love this little accent going on here. This laptop, aesthetically, they have done a great job. And our fingerprint reader right here. Okay, let's see if we have enough power to start up. Well, I guess we have to plug it in. In order to activate the battery, sometimes you have to plug it in so that it will let you turn it on. Turn it on. It lit up here. Does it light up over here? It lives! Alright, and I'm going to set this laptop up, and if you guys want to know how to set up a laptop, I'll leave a link up here to set it up. I am also making an updated version with this laptop on how to set up Windows 11, so it should be coming out fairly soon. So stay tuned for that video as well. Some things have changed since Windows 10, so stay tuned. Alright, let me set it up and I'll be right back. So let's do some physical stress tests on this laptop. Let's go ahead and see the screen flex. Not too bad. See the whole body flex. Not much flex to it. It is solid. Alright, so now I like to do what I call a handoff, where we'll go from my recording set to the laptop. And this is just a test, and let's see how we sound over here. Hopefully it sounds good. Overall, at least in the preview here, it looks pretty great. My first impression of this laptop is kind of fun. I love with it. It is designed based off golden ratio. Basically, it's a mathematical expression, 1 plus the square root of 5/2, and nature follow this everywhere. As you can see here in the screen here, and we'll have some examples here. It is just that the whole like infinite circle that goes on like that. As you can see here, it just whoop, it just touches all the parts of the laptop. Pretty cool how they designed it. The microphone and webcam are actually good compared to other laptops I've used. Picture is clear, the sound is not muffled or anything. It sounds pretty good for a laptop camera and mic. Performance so far is pretty quick. You don't have to run some more benchmarks on it, but not too bad. There isn't much flex to the laptop screen or the body itself, which is great. Very strong and rigid construction. The keyboard is not too bad. It's pretty clicky, and I think I get used to it pretty quick. And the trackpad is oversized, and the surface of the trackpad, my finger glides on it smoothly. Overall, I'm impressed with this laptop, and guys, stay tuned for the review of this laptop. If you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a comment, question, or want to say hello, what's good? Drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.